Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my FANS Wethu TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Stellenbosch 0, Stellenbosch 1 via penalties. I'm joined by Mahlati.
Hey, show Stivo.
Fede?
Stivo, you know, man.
Inside in net.
First of all, Stivo, it was a good game, ne?
Yeah.
As Kaizer Chiefs, ne?
Yeah.
As a supporter of Kaizer Chiefs, we must not go into hiding.
Yeah.
We must explain to people what happened, like we did that time. We're winning the game, saying no, we are on top of the log. Hey, we are going to win this league.
Sure.
So those people, all of them, they must not go into hiding.
Yeah.
Come to public and explain to the people what happened. So on today's game, what I saw, the god of football were against us. We should have won this game on the 90 minutes. You understand?
Yeah.
So the god of football were against us. Why? Is because it's been long Kaizer Chiefs abusing Stellenbosch. We mopped with Stellenbosch, I think, 5 games consecutive.
Yes,
so today, I say congratulations to Stellenbosch. They did well, you understand? Because it was going to be an embarrassment to the team of Stellenbosch and the management, you understand?
Yes.
So on our team, Kaizer Chiefs, I'm not happy at all.
Yeah.
Like I said last time, 2 weeks back, I said we don't have a coach.
Yeah.
Yes, indeed, we don't have a coach because those 2 guys, they looked confused. I don't know why, you understand?
Yes.
That game we should have won because we were not under pressure. Because those guys were playing 1 man down on that extra time. So why are they panicking? Understand? Because that substitution of goalkeeper, I don't know what they were doing. So they killed the confidence of the goalkeeper, understand?
Too much.
So that one is unprofessional on this team of Kaizer Chiefs, this big team of Kaizer Chiefs.
Very unprofessional.
Even the supporters, we are disappointed, understand? Because now we are going to be a laughing stock of Orlando Pirates now. So now that means we are going to attend this kind of Black Label Cup, going there, Orlando Pirates. And it's unfair, that understand. So Orlando Pirates is playing well, my friend. So us and Sundowns, I think these 2 teams, they must fire the coach. All of them. Miguel Cardoso must go. Even these 2 guys from Kaizer must go. They must follow each other. So because it's been long, they don't know what they are doing. Kaizer Chiefs got good players, It got good players, but we don't have that guy who can plan. Understand? Simple plan, we win the game. This game, we should have won this game long time ago. But at the bench, I don't know what they were doing, those people. I don't know their plan. They plan to attack or to defend. I don't know what they were doing. Because Stellenbosch at the first half, it was not playing, it was lost. Understand? So now I don't know what are we going to tell people on Monday. We are going back to work on Monday. I don't know what are we going to explain to our managers. Hey, our team didn't do well. Hey, Steve, even inside, yes, all this Steve. What is it? So all in all, it's a football game, buffet. Let's accept the result, and we must not be angry with the result, Marcos. Let's accept the result and go back to the drawing board and fix ourselves. We're a big team. We are still a big team. We have 6 million followers. We are supporters, understand? So let's stop minding about what our neighbors, Pirates, are saying to us. If they say we are Lamthuthu, let's accept and move on. Let's not fight them. No, I accept we are Lamthuthu. I accept we are Lamthuthu. So let's accept all the criticism from Orlando Pirates and move on. Let's not fight them because Orlando Pirates at the moment is doing well. We must clap for them. They are doing well up to so far. So whatever Orlando Pirates supporter is going to tell Kaizer Chiefs, my faith say believe, let's accept and move on. Let's not fight them. They are doing well up to so far. They are playing nice football and they are scoring good goals. Mbogazi scored a good goal yesterday, you understand? Wonderful goal. So us and Sundowns, I think we are lost. We don't know what we are doing. So I'm not happy, Steve. And man of the match of today, Nyamboso played Steve. Mutema played They should have given him 200,000, not 100,000. He played that guy. Kenyan that guy, Steve, understand? So thank you for the opportunity, Steve. Give it to Bagana. We know. No, like I said, we are going to accept whatever Orlando Pirates supporters are saying to us. We are not going to let them provoke us because they are playing well. So we accept Even though they are going to say, hey, Oyonale, Big Zoo, it's fine, we accept. We don't want to fight them, Steve. I'm disappointed. You know, even my queen is disappointed. You can see the face, Steve. It's tough, man. And the people, they don't know that we love this team. We love this Kaizer Chiefs, in fact. We love this team 100%, but the management, I don't know, they don't take us serious or what. Because now we feel like we must go and support Orlando Pirates. But it can't be, but it can't be.
Change.
I'm a Kaizer Chiefs, my heart is Kaizer Chiefs. I can't take my heart and people don't understand. So Steve, no, I want you that. I'm not Jeff. I'm loyal, Steve. I want to do that.
Let's go.